So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today again I got another bay to unbox, and yes, today that is no random booster, that is a pretty straightforward bay, and you can see what it is. Yes, it's a Jet Wyvern. So yes, Wakia Murasaki is back guys. So let me open the box and let me show you the power of Wakia Murasaki. Is it good or is it not? So today, without wasting any more further time, without all that bullshit, I'm gonna open this box and I'm gonna show you how our Jet Wyvern looks. So let's get straight into the action. So guys, we have unboxed the bay, and this is pretty much all the stuff we get in here. So let's put together the bay for the very first look. So I'm gonna put together the bay and let's take a look. And here we go. Look at the beauty guys. I mean, it's too gorgeous. All that flashy shining Wyvern look, that is amazing. So this bay looks gorgeous. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply some stickers and I'll be back, then we'll talk more about this. So guys, I have unboxed the bay and I have applied the stickers as well, and look at the look. In my opinion, this looks sick guys. So I guess against reverse spin base, it can absorb some spin. So it doesn't rotate freely in opposite direction, but it rotates in this direction pretty freely. So we're gonna try this out, we're gonna test this bay. But before we do that, you tell me how this looks guys. Take a look guys and let me know how sick this bay looks. So in terms of look, I guess Jet Wyvern gets all the point. So before we do any battle and stuff, let me show you a bit about this bay. So this is the top layer, and this parking chip is called Wyvern, and this ring is called Jet, and the chassis is called 1D chassis, and the disc here is called Around, and tip is called Just. So that driver name is Just. So this driver is pretty good. This is a free spinning wheel. I'm not sure how this is gonna hold against the other base, but I hope it should hold pretty well. And this got these metal balls, I guess, for the defense. So this is a pretty crazy to have. I guess from the bottom this bay looks pretty jacked guys. So guys, without wasting any more further time, let me bring out the stadium and let me show you if this Jet Wyvern is any good or not. So guys, our stadium is set up and we are ready for the battle. And for the very first battle, so Jet Wyvern is gonna go against Variant Lucifer. So let's start the battle. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. And it lost because of that crazy driver. Guys, I don't know how to say this, but this driver is not fitted for Jet Wyvern. I don't know how it's gonna do in Bus Stadium, but this stadium, it's bad. But anyways, let's kick things up a notch, and this thing is gonna go against the Big Daddy, Lucifer, the end. So first I'm gonna launch Jet Wyvern. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Now it's time for the Big Daddy. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. And the Big Daddy won it easily, and that was expected because this bay is pretty heavy. Now we're gonna try one different thing. So we got Mirage Fafnir. So I know this blade can absorb a lot of impact, so let's see how it does against a reverse rotating bay. So let me launch Jet Wyvern first. Now it's time for Mirage Fafnir. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. So the ring is able to absorb a lot of impact. As you can see, the speed is increasing. But is it gonna be enough to pull a win against Fafnir? That's we have to see. And both are slowing down. And the battle is over. And our Fafnir won. I think Wyvern would have won. It was not able to win because of this crazy driver. If we remove this driver, put something else, I have a gut feeling that it will be able to pull a win against Fafnir. So now we're gonna do one last battle against its old pal, Shu against Wakia Murasaki. So let's see how Jet Wyvern does against World Spree Gun. So I'm gonna launch World Spree Gun first. 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Now it's time for Jet Wyvern. 3, 2, 1, let it rip! And I got a bad feeling about this because I think its driver is gonna make things weird for it. What? It was able to pull a win. Guys, from World Spree Gun. I am not gonna believe myself. I think this time driver was not able to do those crazy things, and that's how it was able to pull a win. So I guess driver is not that bad at all, but I guess we have to change this. So guys, that's Jet Wyvern for you. Let me know your thoughts in comment section, and I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Till then, stay safe and happy blading.